So let's talk about a little bit about types, attribute types for moves. Here we have again the code that we are using the person class, creating a person object is the name foo already given, and then this class will also have a year attribute that will probably have the birth year or whatever. So we can call the year method and assign this number to it, and then call again and retrieve the value. And the way we set it is in this example here. This is the code, the class itself, the person PM. So we have the name that we already saw earlier, and then we also have another attribute called year. But this one already, beyond the fact that it's read-write, it also sets the ISA parameter of it, and we set it to be an integer. So we are actually telling moves that the value of this year has to be restricted to integers only. So if you go back to the script itself, if we call it with something that's not an integer, it will give us an exception. And this is here the exception you get. So it tells us that the year attribute doesn't pass the type constraint, because this string, the value we gave, is not an int. So this is something that ordinary Perl modules wouldn't have by default. So it's an additional value already that moves gives, besides the fact that it already creates the methods and so on.